So let's wait for creation of the shape design. I will choose that one. So we will give them separate colors so that we can easily get the visuals of it. I will choose that one, then give that shape into the separate direction. So here it is. We are using shape on the shape, and this will give us another view. So that it is. Thank you for watching my video.